Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. What you think more important? How much you give or how much you have left back after you don't give? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 21 from verse 1 to verse 4. Jesus look up and see the rich people them are putting feed in sitting where them are give for offering in a offering box. Him see one poor woman where husband dead a put in 2 cents too. Jesus say, "Me I tell you the truth. That poor woman where husband dead put in more than the rest of them. All of them here people give for them offering out of where them have for spare. But that woman yeah, even though she poor, she give everything where she have." A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.